To add and use a search bar on a Wix website, the process is straightforward and involves just a few steps. First, log into the Wix account and select the site to be edited, or create a new one. Editing the site will allow access to its various features and tools. On the website, navigate to the Add Elements section and then click on Search to find the search bar option. Within the search section, there's an option for Site Search, which can be added to the website. Once the site search is added, it can be customized according to preference. The background, color, and other design elements can be altered to match the website's niche or theme. Options for customization include changing the color, using a gradient, or adding an image or video. The search results can also be tailored, with options to make the text bold or change the layout. Exploring the settings of the search bar provides more detailed customization options. This includes managing how search results are displayed, such as showing or hiding certain pages, and customizing the search results page. The layout and design of the search bar and results can also be adjusted, including the font, color, and opacity. Additionally, the number of results per page can be changed from 10 to 50. After customizing the search bar, it's a good idea to preview how it looks on different devices, including mobile phones, to ensure that it fits well and is easy to use. The overall goal is to create a seamless and user-friendly experience for visitors to the website. By following these steps and exploring the various customization options, it's possible to add and effectively use a search bar on a Wix website.